Hello everyone. So, do you want to have rupees 1 crore in the coming 10 years in your account? If yes, then stay on with me. I will explain how you can achieve the same. So, what we will cover in this particular video is what an index fund is, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and who is the right person who should consider investing in index funds. So to start with, what is an index fund? An index fund is simply a mutual fund that invests in the stock market, in the stock market's index. Now, an index is the aggregation of the top companies which has the highest market capitalization in the country. So, in a sense, if you are investing in an index fund, you are investing in the nation's economy. Coming to the advantages. So, the first advantages is that you get good returns. The second advantage is that there is the minimum expense ratio as compared to other equity mutual funds. The third advantage is that you are investing in the nation's economy, so you are directly getting the benefits of equity investment. Now coming to the disadvantages. So the disadvantages is that as with other mutual funds, equity mutual funds, if you invest in the stock market or in equity, then it is volatile. So in the short run you might lose money, or even generally it doesn't happen, but even in the long run also you might lose money. Coming to the kind of a person who should invest in index fund. So what I would recommend and suggest is that if you are some kind of a professional or some person who doesn't have a lot of time to invest in understanding the stock and the companies, reading their annual reports, and doing that regularly, keeping a watch on the management, then index fund is something wherein you can get the benefits of equity investment, higher returns and stuff, without really spending too much time on understanding the stock market or the companies and stuff. And also, if but then if let's say you are an investor who is very risk averse, then you should not go for index fund, because as I mentioned, you might see a negative return or volatility in the short run. And then in that case you should go for liquid fund. And what is liquid fund is something that I would cover in another session. So thanks a lot.